Hello mga ka-foodie and welcome to my cooking channel. Today I'm going to cook sauteed corned beef. Our ingredients are diced potatoes, diced tomatoes, Delimondo corned beef from Philippines, sliced white onions, and diced garlic. The ingredients on the screen are also written under the description section of this video. I will fry the potatoes first with canola oil, or you can use any frying oil you want. The reason why I fry the potatoes first is I do not like mushy potatoes on my dish unless I am eating mashed potatoes. Keep stirring the potatoes so they won't stick together. The potatoes are slightly golden brown and they are ready. Set the potatoes aside on a plate with paper towel so it will absorb the excess oil. I think I'm getting healthier. Now I'm ready to saute. I will use about 2 to 3 tablespoons of cooking oil that I use for frying the potatoes. Then start with garlic and will cook until they turn light brown before I mix the onions. I don't know about you, but the smell of sauteing garlic makes me so hungry. Next is to add sliced onions and keep stirring. After about 30 seconds of sauteing the onions and garlic, add the diced tomatoes. Cover the pan to keep the heat inside and it will cook the tomatoes faster.
button and the notification bell so you will be notified when I have a new uploaded recipe. Thank you, Foodie.